tanpa sertifikat entah dirampas oleh negara. Dan ini Piala Dunia merupakan lambang dari bukan hanya di negara Hong Kong tapi di seluruh dunia untuk melawan kekerasan terhadap perempuan. Terima kasih.
Okay, so the meaning of this is like women must have lands and we need to stop the land grabbing.
So the second group is UPIC.
Yang kedua yaitu UPIC. Okay. This UPIC from Indonesia Indonesia performing Women Rise Up and Fight Against Oppression. Materials recycled from the plastic bag, paper and striped bag. All the materials that as domestic migrant workers we always use to carry stuff is not only convenient but is also big enough to put everything in. We using it on our duty and the day off. We are born into a society with a very dominant patriarchal culture. A culture that prioritizes men, calls women to lack freedom and feel insecure. Patriarchal contributes to high rates of domestic violence and sexual harassment. Women are often seen as second class, carrying double the burden and not considered to be involved in making decisions. Women often experience wage inequality, are underpaid, are victims of forced labor, and are victims of human trafficking. The government should provide protection when women are forced to become migrant workers due to failure to provide employment. Even makes women the target of exploitation through the policies it creates. We will not remain silent through our organization. We unite to fight oppression and discrimination against women and girls. We are not only beautiful, we are also great, brave, and powerful.
Thank you, thank you. So next we will have our friends from Nia to explain her design.
This Nia from Indonesia performing the traditional of indigenous people Dayak woman costume. Material by recycled newspaper, cloth, handbag, tablecloths, and wood. As migrant domestic workers, we are familiar with the materials and using time to time at work and on the day off. We are coming from Indonesia, a country rich in natural and human resources, and thousands of ethnic and cultures. But unfortunately, the presence of palm oil and mining companies often robs living space and disrupt the balance of nature, causing the indigenous women people, especially those dependent on the forest, to lose their livelihood. We are at high risk of being trapped in a cycle of poverty due to low education and continuing the role as farm laborers without improving the quality of life. Indigenous women are vulnerable to violence, sexual harassment, and gender disparities in decision making in traditional institutions and the workplace. Despite facing the pressure, the indigenous women fight against the land grabbing and in passing the challenge of modernization and development, we continue to struggle to maintain the cultural identity and family food security for the future of our generation and our land. Indigenous women, we are rise, brave, strong, and beautiful. Teman-teman.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yang selanjutnya yaitu Mario dari Sinfam.
Oh, guys.
I can stand. All the flowers are made by the newspaper, the plastic, and the plastic bottle. Yeah. And for the dress, I think not only the woman can dress like this, but also the man The just anything, everyone can just anything. Not only the female or male. Okay.
Thank you, Oreo. Okay, so let's welcome Magnificent from MP and come to explain your design.
Halo, selamat siang semuanya. Kostum saya hari ini menjelaskan tentang bagaimana negara saya hidup di atas kekuasaan dan menindas bagaimana orang-orang miskin di atas kekuasaan mereka. Jadi di sini kita menunjukkan bagaimana ada sawah yang tidak akan bisa kita miliki jika kita tidak berkuasa. Itulah negara saya. Bagaimana orang kaya akan semakin menjadi kaya dan kenapa kita ada di Hong Kong saat ini dan menjadi buruh migran. Terima kasih.
So this is the perspective of the poor people, that why rich people become more rich. That's why land is very important for the women. That's why many women come to Hong Kong. So yeah, I think that's.
Thank you for the very powerful talk. And then we will have Mika Cultural Migrants Organization to explain the creation.
Happy Rising everyone! We from the Militant Cultural Organization, a progressive and militant cultural organization, are glad to be a part of this fashion show. To lay out our appeal in a creative way, all the tools used are meaningful and valuable in our lives. Strike bags, the spectrum life or OFWs, most of us use it to pack our stuff before sending boxes to our family. But most of the time, it is the bag of OFWs who are terminated in our employment. The t-shirt or appeal, all involved was responsible from top to bottom, especially President Marcos Jr., who is mastermind of corruption. Vice President Sara Duterte is also not safe from accountability because she is also involved in corruption, especially when she is still in the bed. Corruption is one of the reasons why the Filipino people are suffering. Poverty is the reason why we are forced to work outside the country. Many women are suffering and undergoing exploitation due to the effect of massive corruption in the Philippines. So, we are calling on lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. Jail the Murag, burokrata at international ang bansa. Kulong na yan, mga kurakot! Kulong na yan, mga kurakot! Kulong na yan, mga kurakot! Thank you.
Thank you for the very energetic presentation. And,
From the Lorna Olacom.
and so finally, we have a very special participant, and I want you all to give a very big round of applause to Lorna.
We are from the Association of Filipino Typo Survivors from Rights and Welfare. We are a uniform organization that binds all survivors so we can care and heal together. Our representative is Lorna. Her dress is made of striped bag, which is essential to all migrant workers. After the fire, the striped bag is very useful so we can store donations of clothes that we receive due to limited space where we are relocated. A cake that says, "Women stand for equality and future without slavery." This is also our ultimate wish and goal. The Chinese New Drawing were made during the Chinese New Year party, wishing everyone blessings and healthy life. A shield signifies weight of justice, so everyone is accorded with respect and protection of their rights, dignity, and humane treatment, where harmony and inclusion is possible. Thank you.
Thank you to our participants once again. We can take a round of applause.
Teman-teman bisa langsung ke meja panggung untuk
So that we can this certificate of recognition for your participation in the Hong Kong 1 Billion Rising Fashion Show. Your contribution and active involvement have made this event successful, and so thank you for your support.
Selfie hari ini kita berikan sebagai apresiasi kita untuk para peserta fashion show yang telah menyalurkan seluruh waktu dan energinya untuk membuat sebuah rancangan yang sangat menarik dan sangat bagus. Terima kasih. Kemudian selanjutnya untuk Nia. Silakan maju. Sekali lagi ini adalah bentuk apresiasi dari kami kita ini karena ini bukan perlombaan. Ini adalah fashion show untuk merayakan 1 Billion Rising 2019. Terima kasih.
Ano, tiket mo sa amin natin check? Check man? Ha? Check man lang?
Telah berpartisipasi. Kemudian ada from Lika Cultural Migrant Organization. Thank you very much for your participation. And then for the rest, for the title, there will be okay, next from the what is our friend, the tribal survival. Thank you very much for your attitude.
Okay, so let's take a final walk, and then we will conclude the fashion show.
Silakan untuk jalan yang mudah. Tepuk tangan semuanya.
Final round of applause to all our participants for the very meaningful and creative looks.
Terima kasih dari Obila Komite. Kami ucapkan terima kasih sekali lagi.